media trustworthy?
Pretty significant state of distrust among the media.
The least trusted in the world.
All expertise is false.
We see lots of phony news sites.
There's a confusion about what we mean as the entire entity of media.
This fairly new, I think, sense that you can't trust the government or the media or scientists or even charities. Everything is fake.
Trust is a very fragile thing. Whom do Canadians trust these days? Do they trust anyone or anything anymore? Do they still trust the news?
When we see the news media starting to imitate social media, I think it almost is counterproductive to their trust levels, because people are starting to think, well, they're not very serious either, so why should I trust them? There's also, the fact that headline writers are being given license to write headlines that maybe attract readers and eyeballs, but may be more extreme or hysterical or edgy or, don't help trust and credibility.
Proof Strategy's CEO, Bruce McLellan, explains where trust in Canada currently stands and how we can go about building it back. On the next episode of Deep Dive, powered by Coldwater Communications.